Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to sprout fenugreek. It is rich in vitamin C, proteins, fiber, potassium, iron and alkaloids. It is beneficial for your skin and hair. It helps to regulate your blood pressure, sugar and cholesterol. For growing the sprout, you need one large size ball or a mixing bowl with fit the strainer, and over the strainer put paper towel or a cotton cloth with help to moist on fenugreek. This fenugreek is soaked from 24 hours. Add water and strain the excess water. In every 4 to 5 hours you have to water the fenugreek. Now I am going to water this and throw the excess water. Now I am going to close the lid and cover with dark cloth. Now it's a 12 hour. My fenugreek is starting to sprout. I am going to water this and strain the excess. And don't forget to water in every 4 to 5 hours. Again I am going to close the lid and cover with dark cloth. And 5 hours later you can see the sprout is got little growth. Again I am going to water this. And then cover this. And the next day it become a longer. I don't film in every 4 to 5 hours. I film in a daily basis. It become longer. Again I am going to water this and strain the excess. It's a day 5. Now my fenugreek is fully sprouted. Now I am going to take this out from cotton cloth. Now I am going to store this in a plastic bag and hold this with the help of knife. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this sprout, then please give me some